In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a pay run in QuickBooks Payroll. Navigating payroll can be tricky, but with QuickBooks, the process is streamlined and user-friendly. So, let's dive right in and see how you can get started. To begin, open your web browser and head over to the QuickBooks website. Once you're there, you'll want to log into your account. If you're not already signed up for QuickBooks Payroll, you'll need to ensure you have the premium version. This feature is crucial as pay run capabilities are only available to users with this premium access. If you're unsure about your subscription tier, it might be a good idea to check your account settings or get in touch with QuickBooks support for clarification. Assuming you have the right subscription, the next step is to locate the payroll section. Look for the option that says Create or Payroll on your dashboard. Click on it to advance. At this point, if your account is set correctly, you'll see an option that says Run Payroll. Don't worry if you don't see it right away. It might be listed under a drop-down menu or a separate payroll tab, depending on your dashboard layout. Once you click Run Payroll, you'll be prompted to provide some essential information to set up the pay run. This includes details about your employees such as their hours worked, any bonuses or commissions, and any adjustments needed for that pay period, like vacation days or sick leave. It's extremely important to ensure that the information you provide here is accurate, as this will directly impact your payroll calculations. Take your time, double-check your entries, and don't hesitate to use resources provided by QuickBooks if you need clarification on any of the fields. After you've filled in all the necessary information, you're ready to proceed to the next step, which is submitting the payment. With QuickBooks, this part is generally straightforward, as the system will guide you through any additional steps needed to finalize the payroll run. Once you confirm and submit your payroll, QuickBooks will process it, and you should receive a confirmation. This confirmation is a key step in ensuring that everything has been set up correctly. Congratulations, you've successfully created a pay run in QuickBooks Payroll. Make sure to keep an eye on any notifications or updates from QuickBooks regarding your payroll submissions. Regularly reviewing your payroll and keeping your employee and pay information up to date ensures a smooth operation and compliance with any financial regulations. Thank you for watching, and remember to leave any questions or comments you might have below. If there are other topics you'd like us to cover, feel free to reach out to you. Have a great day using QuickBooks Payroll.